A new era of warfare, the $2 billion Sentinel. The battlefield has always been a chaotic and unpredictable environment. For centuries, human soldiers have faced unimaginable dangers, relying on their training, courage, and a bit of luck to survive. But the arrival of the Sentinel, a revolutionary military robot, marked a turning point in the history of warfare. This $2 billion marvel of engineering redefined the very nature of conflict, ushering in an era of unprecedented technological advancement on the battlefield. The Sentinel was more than just a machine. It was a statement. It embodied the immense power of artificial intelligence and robotics, showcasing their potential to reshape the landscape of modern warfare. Its development sent shockwaves through the global defense community, forcing nations to confront the reality of a future where machines played an increasingly prominent role in armed conflicts. The impact of the Sentinel was immediate and profound. It rendered traditional military tactics obsolete, forcing commanders to rethink their strategies and adapt to the new realities of the battlefield. The age of human soldiers charging into the fray was over. The future belonged to intelligent machines, and the Sentinel was leading the charge. Project Ironclad, birth of a machine. The development of the Sentinel, codenamed Project Ironclad, was a closely guarded secret, hidden deep within the research and development labs of a leading defense contractor. Years of research and billions of dollars were poured into the project.
The team behind Project Ironclad comprised some of the brightest minds in robotics and AI. They worked tirelessly, pushing the boundaries of technology, driven by the belief that they were creating something extraordinary. The Sentinel was not just another weapon, it was a paradigm shift, a glimpse into the future of warfare.
Years of effort culminated in the first successful prototype of the Sentinel. It was a moment of triumph for the entire team, but the real test lay ahead on the battlefields of the future, the brain of a warrior AI and autonomous warfare. At the heart of the Sentinel's capabilities lay its advanced artificial intelligence system. This AI processed vast amounts of data in real time, making split-second decisions with unmatched accuracy.
The Sentinel's AI learned and adapted with each engagement. It refined its algorithms, becoming more formidable.
The implications were profound. The Sentinel could operate autonomously without constant human oversight. This